Welcome to our channel. Today's video discusses Robert Kiyosaki's 5 tips on becoming rich during a recession. A recession can be challenging for anyone looking to grow their wealth, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to weather the storm and come out on top. If you want to learn more about becoming rich during a recession, watch this video to the end. Following these tips and staying proactive can increase your chances of success, and you can build wealth during a recession. Welcome to 9 to 5 Finance, where we discuss smart finance and investing. Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has a wealth of experience and knowledge regarding building and growing wealth. So, if you're looking for ways to build wealth and thrive during tough economic times, stay tuned. Robert Kiyosaki's number 1 tip for becoming rich during a recession is to focus on building passive income streams. Passive income is income you earn without actively working for it. It can come from various sources such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, and investments in businesses that generate income without requiring your active involvement. By building passive income streams, you can create a consistent source of income that can help you weather economic downturns and achieve financial stability. Kiyosaki advises building passive income streams as early as possible, as it can take time to establish and grow these sources of income. Starting early and being consistent can increase your chances of success and build a strong foundation for financial security. Here are 3 examples of how you might build passive income streams. Number 1. Rent out a property. One way to generate passive income is to rent a property, such as a home, apartment, or vacation rental. By purchasing a property and leasing it to tenants, you can generate a consistent source of income without requiring your active involvement. Number 2. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Another option is to invest in stocks that pay dividends, which are regular payments made to shareholders. Investing in stocks with a history of paying consistent dividends can generate a passive income stream. Number 3. Invest in a business that generates passive income. Another option is to invest in an industry that generates passive income, such as a franchise or a company that generates revenue through online sales or subscriptions. Robert Kiyosaki's number 2 tip is investing in appreciating assets. An asset is something that has the potential to generate income or increase in value over time, and investing in assets can be a powerful way to build wealth. During a recession, it's essential to focus on assets likely to hold or increase in value rather than those vulnerable to economic downturns. Kiyosaki advises looking for assets with long-term growth potentials, such as real estate, stocks and companies with solid financials, or businesses well positioned for the future. By investing in assets that appreciate value, you can create a reliable source of income and grow your wealth over time. Of course, it's essential to carefully evaluate any asset's potential risks and returns before investing and to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Robert Kiyosaki's number 3 tip is to focus on increasing your financial intelligence. Financial intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your finances effectively, and it's an essential component of wealth building. During a recession, it's crucial to have a firm grasp of your financial situation and to make informed decisions to help you grow your wealth. Kiyosaki advises seeking educational resources and guidance from financial professionals to help increase your financial intelligence. By increasing your financial intelligence, you can make more informed decisions about your money and increase your chances of success as an investor. In addition to seeking out educational resources, Kiyosaki advises staying up to date on economic and market trends, as this can help you make more informed investment decisions. Here's an example of how you might focus on increasing your financial intelligence. Read books and articles on personal finance. One way to increase your financial intelligence is to read books and articles on personal finance topics such as budgeting, investing, and financial planning. By learning from experts and staying up to date on economic issues, you can increase your understanding of managing your money effectively. Attend workshops or seminars. Another option is to attend workshops or seminars on personal finance. These events can provide valuable insights and guidance from experts and help you learn new strategies for managing your money. Work with a financial advisor. Another option is to work with a financial advisor who can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan and provide guidance on investing, saving, and budgeting. A financial advisor can help you make informed decisions about your money and increase your financial intelligence. Robert Kiyosaki's number 4 tip for becoming rich during a recession is to focus on increasing your financial flexibility. Financial flexibility refers to your ability to adapt and adjust your financial strategy in response to changing circumstances, and it's an essential factor in building wealth. Kiyosaki advises building financial flexibility by maintaining a healthy emergency fund, diversifying your investments, and avoiding financial commitments that could limit your options in the future. In addition to building financial flexibility, Kiyosaki advises increasing your income and finding ways to reduce expenses. This might include seeking out additional sources of income, such as a side hustle or a part-time job, or finding ways to cut costs, such as by negotiating lower rates on bills or cancelling unnecessary subscriptions. Robert Kiyosaki's number 5 tip for becoming rich during a recession is to focus on building relationships and seeking opportunities. Building strong relationships can be essential in building wealth, as it can provide access to new opportunities and resources. During a recession, it's vital to stay connected and actively seek out opportunities that can help you grow your wealth. Kiyosaki advises building relationships with diverse people, including financial professionals, business leaders, and other successful individuals. By networking and building relationships, you can increase your chances of finding new opportunities and gaining valuable insights and guidance. In addition to building relationships, Kiyosaki advises actively seeking opportunities to help you grow your wealth. This might include identifying industries or sectors that are likely to thrive during a recession, such as technology or healthcare, or finding ways to take advantage of market fluctuations or shifts in consumer behavior. By staying proactive and actively seeking out opportunities, you can increase your chances of success and build wealth during a recession. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's 5 tips on becoming rich during a recession are a valuable resource for anyone looking to build wealth during economic downturns. So as a recap, number 1, by creating passive income streams. Number 2, investing in assets that appreciate. Number 3, increasing your financial intelligence. Number 4, building financial flexibility. And number 5, seeking out opportunities and relationships. Using these strategies, you can increase your chances of success and build wealth during a recession. We hope you found this video helpful and encourage you to continue learning about personal finance and wealth building. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable personal finance and wealth building content.